Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your INFINIX Note 30. So to start, you will see something like that in your notification bar, or something like that when trying to visit inside just spamming pop-ups. That means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm going to show the first method. Go to the settings, tap on the app management, and tap on the app list. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, tap that the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just open it and tap on the install. Click on the OK, and in the second step, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser, tap on the storage and cache, and tap on the clear storage. Tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm using Avast, so you can launch it now. Tap on the Get Started, next and skip. Now close the window, the ad, and the second ad. Now choose the continuous free, tap on the green circle and allow a permission, so tap on the switcher next to it. Go back to the app and always use the deep scan, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted software should be removed from your phone. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.